Behind me, we have the brand new G87 BMW M2. As soon as this arrived as stock, we've had it lowered and spaces fitted, supplied by R44 Performance. And what we also have today as well is an unboxing of a full carbon exterior package for this car. So that is the front splitter, side skirts, rear spoiler, and the rear diffuser. Now already this car looks mean and aggressive. Let us know your opinions on the new G87. But this one is now live on the website. Keep watching the video, you're going to be able to see the full transformation of this from standard. Before the video starts, I'm going to show you what is also live on the website. Of course, we've got our supercar, the McLaren 720S, and then we've got the G87 behind me, which you will be seeing later on in this video. Alongside the cars, we've got the Sur-Ron, Yamaha YZ125 and Ducati Panigale 899 with the Feeler decals. And then finally we've got the Audi RS3 8Y Carbon Edition, so it's got the full carbon exterior kit. But these are all live on the website, check them out at 7daysperformance.co.uk. And now we will get on with the video.
So in here we've got a brand new G87 M2 carbon fibre kit. What we're going to do today is we're going to fit it to the G87 M2. I reckon they might be side skirts. This should be a diffuser. If you ever open these with a knife, be very careful. Open it on the side where it's not going to be exposed carbon, just in case you go through the bubble wrap. So
already we've got the rear diffuser, rear spoiler, rear spats. I already do like the look of these new Beamers.
Are you a fan?
I am a fan, yeah.
When I first saw the release photos, I thought to myself, what on earth have BMW done? It's the same thing as with the G80s. Everyone hated them at first. Now everyone loves them. I hated it when I saw the photo, and in person, it's unbelievable. Fresh front splitter, carbon fibre obviously, that's gonna look nuts. We're now bolting it up. As you can see, transforms the front end. Now we're back to the other side, and then that'll be front splitter done. Right, so front splitter's on. We're now going to fit the side skirts. So we'll dry fit it first before we peel the tape off. So with fitting the side skirts, all we have to do is peel the double-sided tape off, which is already applied to the side skirt when you get it. Get the side skirt so it fits in the correct position on the car, and then when it fits correctly, just wind the self-tapping screws into the body of the car. That's the side skirt fitted. This thing is what we call a badge removal tool. What I'm going to do with this badge removal tool is remove the original spoiler. And then we can get the tar and glue on there, let the tar and glue work, and then it will be nice and easy to scrape the existing glue off. And then we can put our nice new carbon fibre one. Hook your string under, pull it tight to the spoiler so you don't scratch the vehicle paintwork. Pull from left to right, just like so. Pop it off. Tar and glue remover to remove the sticky residue from the spoiler. Cover the boot lid with tar and glue. Get some toilet roll. Then we're gonna lay that on there. We're gonna cover all where the original glue was. Push that down onto the car. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna spray on top of it. Right, so now we've saturated the toilet paper. We'll hold the moisture of the product and we'll leave that sat on there, and then we'll come back to this shortly, and hopefully the toilet paper will have softened up the glue and the glue will just fall off. I've just removed the toilet roll. Hopefully this is nice and soft now and it scrapes off really easily. Right, so now we've cleaned all the residue from the old spoiler off of the car. We've now got the carbon one ready to fit. So we're now going to fit the new carbon fibre diffuser. We'll loosen the plastic clips. This old one should come off easy. So underneath here, if Travis zoomed in a little bit, you'll see that there's little plastic clips and they slide into the back end of the bumper, which is all fixed to the car underneath here. And then you just give this corner a little tug, just like so. And just like that, that is a G87 M2 diffuser removed. So what we'll do first is we'll fit the center part of the diffuser that replaces the existing one. We'll get this fitted and then we'll get the rear spats fitted after that. Now we've got to fit the rear spats. We'll get the passenger side one fitted first. These two fixing points here are for original existing fixings that are in the bumper, so you just have to remove those screws like we just did. And then this one is for an additional fixing that they supply with the kit. Right, so there we have it. That is a full carbon kit from R44 Performance, which is an M8C carbon kit, fitted to the G87 M2. So we've got carbon rear spoiler, carbon diffuser, carbon rear spats, carbon side skirts, and then round at the front, we've got that super aggressive carbon front splitter. Let us know what you guys think. Go and grab your entries before it's too late.
So you just see us unboxing the brand new carbon kit for the G87 M2, and now we're out doing all the content for all the social media. So whilst we're out, we're going to run you through what's new on the G87 and run you through all the specs. So like previous models, the new G87 M2 also comes with the S58 twin turbo 3 litre straight six engine, which is producing a huge 460 brake horsepower. As we start at the front of the car, obviously you can see the new BMW front bumper design on the M2, which is complemented with the R44 carbon front splitter. Now the big question is, what do you prefer? The old M2, which will drop right here, or the new one on the G87? The new M2 is also longer and wider, giving it a more aggressive stance than the old M2. Again, with the rear, we have also fitted R44 carbon kit. In my opinion, looks absolutely insane. It fits really well, it complements the car, and it goes with the wide, aggressive look. That's enough of the outside. Let's get you inside and take you driving. BMW have kept the same approach with all of their new models recently, on the interior especially. If you look at this one, it looks very, very similar to the G80. In my opinion, it's much more modern. It looks very, very nice compared to the old F80 models, especially with the huge LCD infotainment screen. Tell you one thing BMW have kept on the M2 is it still feels a little bit skitty on the rear end, which in my opinion I like. They're small, they're, you know, they're quite a fun little car to drive, and I feel like BMW have kept that in there, so they've still kept their, you know, reputation of having a fun, skitty car. So if you haven't already, make sure you get your tickets in for this BMW M2, because they are brand new out right now. There's not many of them about, especially ones that look like this. Again, just recapping, this one's been lowered, it's been spaced, it's got a full carbon kit, and it looks 10 out of 10. So get your tickets in right now. You could be our next winner, and yeah, you never know, you could be driving this M2.
So this week's discount code is Performance20 for 20% off your whole order. It will be valid until next week's video on Wednesday. So be sure to use it, save some money on any competitions that are currently live.
This is your Focus RS, which you won.
Oh, bloody hell.
And look at that.
What do you think of it, Paul?
Mate, you can't go wrong for a tenner, can you?
There it is. Oof. There it is.
That's beautiful.
There
my God, guys. I can't believe it. Honestly, I couldn't contain it. It was just pure excitement, pure adrenaline. And I remember talking to you on the phone, I was like, you're winding me up. And I just can't believe it.
It's the best day of my life. It is, honestly, it's amazing.
Well, I always flutter on it now and again, but I didn't think I'd ever win a car.
You're joking.
Mate, that sounds awesome, doesn't it?
That's nice.
Well, these are yours, of course.
That's great.
They are the
Thank you
keys to your
very
BMW M140i.
That's great, thank you.
Congratulations. These are your Focus RS keys.
Wow, thanks so much.
Massive
No,
congratulations.
thanks,
Simon.
honestly, Sam, thank you so much. So my name's Simon Cuthbert, and I've just won a full Focus RS Mark III with 7 days performance.
Hi, I'm Richard Hyde. I've just won this BMW M140i.
Hi, my name is Paul Harris, and I have just won the Honda Fireblade CBR R1000. I didn't believe it, to be 100%. I didn't know what to believe, and that's why I didn't answer the phone call 3 times.
That is it for this week's video. If you did enjoy it, be sure to leave a like and also subscribe. Hit the notification bell to stay updated for more future uploads, which are every Wednesday and Sunday. Sunday we reveal our supercar at the beginning of the week, and then Wednesday is our midweek video. If you have any questions or anything from this video or opinions, we love to hear your thoughts. Comment below and we will answer to any questions. But that is it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.